Example.
You're listening to the K649 Morning Traffic Report. Motorists heading to the downtown area should be aware that Bay Harbor Bridge is closing this week for repairs. Commuters should use Victoria Bridge or McDonald Bridge to enter the city center. Traffic is heavy on Capitol Road leading up to Victoria Bridge, so expect some delays. Those headed out of the city are advised that Highway 6 is backed up due to a traffic accident. Traffic is flowing smoothly on the Trans-City Expressway and Highway 13. This is Brendan Doherty reporting for Radio K649. Our next report will be in 20 minutes. Stay tuned for local weather right after our commercial break.
Question 1. What does the broadcast mainly concern? Question 2. According to the speaker, what is causing the problem on Highway 6? Question 3. What will listeners probably hear next? Hackers Practice. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the following weather report.
And now it's time for the weather report. After all the sunshine we've had lately, you may be disappointed to hear that there will be gray skies and a 70% chance of rain tomorrow, with temperatures around 17 degrees Celsius. Overnight lows tonight will be below 10, possibly reaching 0. But fortunately, conditions will likely clear up by Saturday morning, with temperatures in the low 20s and clear skies expected over the weekend. Enjoy it while you can, however, as the long-term forecast calls for cloudy skies with isolated showers throughout the majority of the upcoming week. We'll be right back with a summary of the hour's top stories after this short message from our sponsor.
Number 1. What will the temperature be tonight? Number 2. What will the weather be like on the weekend? Number 3. What will listeners hear next? Questions 4 through 6 refer to the following radio broadcast.
Today's top story is the severe local weather conditions. Local city authorities have informed us that the recent dry spell is now affecting the city's water reserves. Due to high temperatures and the lack of precipitation, water supplies are dangerously low. The water tower on Nickel Road is nearly empty. There are also reports of extremely low levels of water in the reservoir on Gold Creek Road. All local residents are urged to limit the amount of water they use. Watering of lawns and gardens is prohibited until further notice. There doesn't appear to be any relief in sight either, as similar temperatures and conditions are expected for Friday and the weekend. Temperatures may even increase on Saturday. And now let's go to Alyssa Rose for an update on local elections.
Number 4. What is causing the problem? Number 5. What does the speaker suggest? Number 6. When are temperatures expected to rise? Questions 7 through 9 refer to the following radio broadcast.
On this evening's program, we are going to be speaking with famed Hollywood director Stephanie Spielberg. She'll be talking about trends in the movie industry over the past 20 years. She will also focus on why smaller independent films have become so popular lately. Following the interview, we will open up the phone lines to our listeners who have questions or comments for Ms. Spielberg. And now I have a special announcement about tomorrow's broadcast. Since I'll be in Seattle covering the local elections, we will be having a very special host, my very own son.
Number 7. What is the subject of today's program? Number 8. What will happen after the interview? Number 9. Who will be the host for tomorrow's program?